Baby, we have the t-shirts back in stock, my darlings. What is delayed is not denied. We have it in blue since you loved it so very much indeed, my darlings. You better go ahead and get your t-shirt before it sells out, because I just might go ahead and do a yellow t-shirt for you and an orange t-shirt. You have to bear in mind, Baby Girl is a small brand. We are self-funding here, so I can only do so much. But yes, the t-shirt is back and I am living and loving. I also have a surprise for you. Yes. You asked and I said, why not? We have brought the black t-shirt back. What is delayed is not denied. Are we living and loving? Oh! I should get my computer, as a matter of fact. Well, let me say hello to them first. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we, my darlings? How is your day? How is it going? How are you? Drop it down in the comment section. A sunshine emoji. If that's how you are feeling. Are you feeling good? Drop down a sunshine emoji. If it's just like comme ça, then drop down a moon emoji. I pray for you all, and I know that things, your time is not always perfect. It's never perfect for everybody all the time. That does not exist. All I say is that, darlings, just try your very best, and try your very best and push through. So we have a light-hearted episode today, and I thought it was rather interesting because I myself was kind of sort of given the side eye, and I was like, what are we looking at? It is this extremely good-looking brother, cheekbones like me, hair like me, or let us say we have hair that's alike. Gorgeous. Darling, you're not going to believe it. This, my baby, is his mug shot. He was arrested for a DUI. Let me read, because his picture is going viral, and before you know it, all the model agencies in Paris are going to say, walk my show. So this could be the best thing that has happened to him. But let me read first and foremost so that you can understand the backstory. So we have a Washington County arrest is drawing attention after Kasim Hassan Meeks was booked into the Washington County Jail on charges of driving under the influence and lewd conduct in a vehicle. Just look at him. Just look at his face. He's a hot mess. He's a hot mess. Oh my God, thank God I wasn't there. All right, so it goes on to say, according to jail records, Meeks was taken into custody after authorities allegedly found him inside a vehicle with both a male and a female at the time of the incident. The circumstances surrounding the arrest have not been publicly detailed. As with all criminal cases, the charges are allegations, and Meeks is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in court. So he will have to go to court where they might dismiss the case, or they might have evidence to prove that he is an around the way boy and he's engaging in all kinds of illicit relationships, because we don't know whether that encounter is for sale. The mere fact that he's in there with a guy as well as a girl, we know that that's a threesome. That's a threesome, and it's usually with all of these situations that you get into trouble. Because why couldn't you get a room? Why couldn't you get a room, Kasim, to do all of these things? I also bring it up because beauty, men and women, is a powerful thing. We are misguided by beauty. And sometimes we don't see the seriousness of it behind the veil. And that's why I want to be serious. A lot of girls are swooning over his good looks. Quiet as is kept, I swooned over his good looks as well. I think he's extremely good looking. And when you look at somebody like that, you say to yourself, as good looking as you are, this is what you used your gift for. We are like that. We say the same thing about young women, young men that are extremely intelligent and so smart, and you waste your life by doing something that can get you behind bars. So, first and foremost, because this is a threesome act, I want my girls to be very careful. HIV is on the rise, and I did not know that until some Fumination sisters pointed it out to me. You have to be very careful and make sure that you protect yourself at all times. Please. You do one silly thing, and that's it. Things have improved and there's medication out there. But the best precaution is to make sure that you are protected. Do whatever you want to do. Hey, you know, enjoy yourself, have a good time. But when you have circumstances like this, where you might think that your guy would never sleep with another man until they are caught like this, and they have all kinds of transmitted diseases, and you have been sleeping with him unprotected, what do you think will happen? Now, I don't know this guy, and he just might be somebody who, you know, just fluff, DUI, got drunk, and, it's serious. That's serious. A DUI is serious for me, because when push comes to shove, drinking under the influence, he can kill somebody else. It's not a joke. It's not funny. And it should not be taken lightly, hence why he was arrested. So DUI is not a light situation. Also, you don't know who this person is. Just because he's good looking, so what? Protect yourself, my darlings, and don't go acting out with somebody because of his good looks and then you go and bail him out of jail. You tell him to come and live with you, stay with you, you sleep with him without protection. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a mask. You still don't know who this person is. And I always tell you, when you meet a guy, interview him, because he has to be up to your standard. The good looks are not just enough. He's going viral because he's good looking. He's going viral because put him in a suit, you would never know. Put him in a jeans and t-shirt and let him walk the runway, you would never know. You would call him a Calvin Klein model, a Ralph Lauren model. Shoot, that's what I said myself, that the agencies would even reach out to him, because he's very much a Zadie because of the salt and pepper hair. This is where I want my hair to get to, where I have the salt and pepper in front. I want to go to the hairdressers and just do a couple in front. What do you guys think? Anywho, that's what I'm saying. It's not funny. It's not something you should take lightly. It is very serious. Don't be fooled by the good looks. He's just as dangerous as somebody that has a scar down his face. He could be, allegedly. And maybe because he knows that he has the looks, he uses that and weaponizes it. That's all that I am saying. That's all. I hope that he's not any of these things. But I have learned to be very cautious. It's better to be safe, as they say, than to be sorry. That's all I got to tell you, my darlings. And I wanted to give a shout out to my beautiful brothers and sisters in Nigeria. How na body? Oh my God, I dey miss you now. I dey come, wait now, I dey come. I want to give another shout out also to my Desalu family, as well as my Denloye family and my extended family. Guys, I am seeing you all over universities, in America, in Nigeria, in Ghana, in South Africa. Desalu is a huge family. We are huge. And it's so nice to know about the next generation of Desalus. As you very well know, I'm a Desalu-Vold. So I wanted to give a shout out to you. I see you in the comments. I see you telling me, Auntie Fumi, I'm your cousin. I'm from this, I'm from that. I'm a Desalu, I'm a this, I'm a that. It is so nice to know all of you. And when I come, we will have a fabulous meet and greet. I promise you. Yes, we will. It's just going to take some time because you're super special and you are my home. I love you. I love you. Make sure that you have my plantain from you. Make sure you have my okra soup. Make sure you have my pounded yam. My God. Make sure you have it. And my goat meat plus my suya. All of these treats. Make sure you have it over there. I will come, my darling. But I wanted to give out a shout out. And I am so proud of all of you and all of the things that you are doing. We will have some workshops out there. I will go to my old schools as well to say hello to the little girls that are there, you know. And thank you. I wanted to say thank you. I love you. I love you. I'd never forget you. We have Fumi Nation all over the world. And we have 860,000 on YouTube. Front of the house, back of the house is about 1.7 million. Between my Instagram and YouTube, we're at 1.1 million. There are a lot of you, and I'm not surprised to see all of these family members as well. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much for the love and support. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. I am so excited. I mean, talk about keeping it in the family. For those of you that don't know, I was a beauty queen. Yes, I was Miss West Africa 1990. Yes, decades ago. And then it's come back full circle with my beautiful niece Farah, who is competing to be Miss Alberta. I want you guys to sponsor, to support her. She has a wonderful support page. Please go right ahead and support her. Please, please, please. She is absolutely beautiful and amazing. I remember when Farah was born, and to see her now walking on stage and winning all of these beauty competitions just warms my heart. So I want to use my platform to spread the word out there. Please support my wonderful niece Farah and just click onto the link and give her all the support that you can. I will deeply I will deeply appreciate it. And Farah, congratulations. Congratulations. Well, you know you're my daughter anyway, because I don't have daughters. So you are my daughter. It doesn't matter who birthed you. You're my daughter. And I am so proud of you. Fumi Nation, this is the first. Yes, my darlings. The next generation doing wonderful and amazing things. And for Farah to walk out on these platforms and really follow in my steps, in my footsteps, I am absolutely speechless. And I want you to support her. Okay, all of my love. Thank you for everything. I love you guys. Mwah.
Hey guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking